Let's make our very own original clock. This is a fun project that takes 3 weeks to complete. First, let's get all our materials ready. Take your ruler and draw 2 diagonal lines across the canvas. Where the lines meet is the center. You found it. Great job! Now let's look at the clock kit. Carefully take out the clock movement. There are tiny parts like nuts and pieces, so be extra careful not to lose them. Next, make a hole so the clock movement can fit through the canvas. You can use a compass or a similar tool. Be careful with your hands and your desk. Once the movement fits, take it out again for now. There's a paper template for the clock face. Cut it out, line it up with the hole, and tape it gently to the canvas. Trace the circle and start writing the numbers with a pencil. What kind of clock do you want to make? Let's draw a quick idea sketch first. Using your sketch as a guide, start painting. Don't worry if you can still see pencil lines. The paint will cover them up nicely. This time, I'm making a clock with a white background. Now let's make the numbers using clay. You can color the clay or paint it later. Place the template back on top to check the size and position of the numbers. Roll the clay into long snake shapes to make the numbers easily. Cut them with scissors and glue them in place. Once the clock face is ready, let's add patterns and designs. I tried making it look like sprayed paint. I also decorated the area around it to match. Since the clock hands are white, I painted the canvas black. I added decorations too, but not too big so the hands can still move. Check the height of your decorations carefully. After gluing everything, now it's time to put the clock together. Follow the instructions to assemble all the parts. Attach the nut to hold the movement securely. Tighten it gently so the canvas stays in place. Add the clock hands carefully. Sometimes it's a little tricky, so take your time. Put in the batteries and check if it works. It might look like it's not moving at first, but look closely. You'll see it ticking. If you're unsure, you can make a simple second hand. Tape paper onto the kit container, cut it out, and attach it. Now you can really see it moving. And just like that, your clock is finished. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun.